Imagine waking up every morning with nothing but the clothes on your back. No home, no bank account, no steady income. Now, imagine turning that situation around step by step until you're not just surviving, but thriving. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money even if you're homeless, using strategies that have helped others escape poverty. Whether you're in this situation or simply want to understand how resilience and financial tactics can change a life, stay with me because this could be the knowledge that transforms everything. Homelessness is a tough reality, but it doesn't mean you're out of options. The biggest challenge isn't just money, it's the lack of stability, resources, and opportunities. It's hard to apply for jobs without an address, to save money without a bank, and to stay motivated when you feel invisible to society. But here's the truth. People have done it. They've found ways to make money, save, and climb their way back up. And today, we're breaking down exactly how they did it so you can do the same. 1. The harsh reality, breaking the stereotypes about homelessness. Most people assume that being homeless means begging on the streets with no hope of improvement. But that's far from the truth. There are individuals who have used smart strategies to generate income and even regain financial independence. For example, people like Chris Gardner, whose story inspired the pursuit of happiness, prove that homelessness isn't a permanent state, but a challenge to overcome. The first step to making money is to break free from the mindset that says you're stuck. Understand that your situation does not define your potential. Homelessness is a temporary condition, not a life sentence. Recognizing this is the first step to financial recovery. 2. Starting with nothing. How to leverage free resources. The biggest advantage you have is access to free public resources that can help you earn money. Libraries offer free internet access where you can apply for online jobs. Shelters provide food so you can focus on making money instead of just surviving, and local charities often have employment assistance programs. For example, public libraries in cities like New York and Los Angeles have job search programs and even business startup workshops. Many shelters partner with local businesses that need temporary labor. If you know where to look, there's help available. Step into a library, use the free computers, sign up for a freelance platform like Upwork or Fiverr, and start offering services, even basic things like writing product reviews or designing simple logos. 3. Immediate cash opportunities. Fast ways to earn money today. When you need money immediately, traditional job applications won't work. Instead, you need quick gigs that pay daily. Some of the fastest ways include street performances. If you can play an instrument or create art, you can monetize public talent. Recycling programs. In many cities, collecting bottles and cans can earn you decent cash daily. Odd jobs. Websites like Craigslist, TaskRabbit, or even walking up to local businesses offering labor. Flipping items. Many thrift stores allow you to buy cheap and resell at a profit. For instance, in San Francisco, some homeless individuals earn a steady income collecting and recycling bottles. It's about being resourceful and using the opportunities available. 4. Turning skills into income. What can you offer right now? Everyone has a skill. Maybe you're good at fixing things, cleaning, writing, or even tutoring. Your skills are your biggest asset. Here are ways to monetize what you know. If you have handyman skills, offer your services to local businesses or homeowners. If you can write, offer freelance writing online. If you're good at sales, try street vending or assisting in retail stores. One real-life example is a homeless man in Chicago who started offering resume writing services in exchange for small donations. Over time, he gained regular clients and eventually got off the streets. 5. Smart money moves. How to save and manage income without a home. Making money is one thing, keeping it is another. Without a traditional bank account, it's easy to lose what you earn. To secure your money, use prepaid debit cards to store your cash safely. Partner with nonprofits that help the homeless set up accounts. Convert cash into gift cards that you can use for essentials. Some shelters offer financial literacy classes, so take advantage of them. The key is not just earning, but building towards something bigger. 6. Leveraging online platforms. Earning money with just a phone. If you have access to a smartphone, you have a business in your pocket. Here's how you can make money online. Sign up for Fiverr or Upwork and offer simple gigs. Use survey sites like Swagbucks for small but consistent earnings. Try affiliate marketing by promoting products on social media. Many companies donate old smartphones to homeless individuals, so check with local charities if you need one. 7. The transition plan. From surviving to thriving. The goal isn't just to make money, it's to get back on your feet permanently. Here's how. Set a goal. Maybe it's saving for temporary housing. Create a basic budget. Even small amounts should be planned. Look for long-term employment. Many programs assist homeless individuals in job placements. A good strategy is using community job training programs. These exist in many cities and can help you move beyond temporary work. 8. Inspiring stories. Real people who made it out. Many people have overcome homelessness and built successful lives. Take, for instance, John Paul DeJoria, who was once homeless before becoming the billionaire behind Paul Mitchell Hair Products. Their stories prove that where you start doesn't determine where you'll end up. The biggest obstacle is not lack of money, it's the belief that you can't do it. Every single step you take, no matter how small, moves you closer to financial independence. Remember, it's not about where you are now, but where you're going. Each dollar earned, each new opportunity taken, brings you closer to freedom. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which strategy do you think is the most useful? Also, check out the first pinned comment for exclusive resources and links that could help you. And since you made it this far, YouTube picked the perfect next video for you. It's on screen now, so don't miss it.